National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern and Arundel County in central Maryland, Southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, Southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, Northeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fairland, or near Beltsville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Columbia, Bowie, Severn, Olney, College Park, Crofton, Greenbelt, Beltsville, Elk Ridge, Baltimore Washington Airport, Glen Burnie, Aspen Hill, Severna Park, Odenton, Laurel, Fairland, White Oak, Ferndale, Adelphi, and Colesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.